Thank you everyone. Prayer has the power to calm our minds and give us strength for the day ahead. Now let's keep these positive vibes going with the pledge. I request Sharan to lead us with the pledge.
Charan commands to pledge. India is my country. All Indians, sir. My brothers and sisters.
What inspires and motivates our mind. Of course, it helps to change and brighten our day. So, may I invite Ashwita to come and share today's thought.
Happy morning everyone. Today's thought is brought to you by Ashwita of Junior 10 Jasper. Thought, don't underestimate anyone because everyone has their own talent. I repeat it again, don't underestimate anyone because everyone has their own talent. Thank you.
Thank you Ashwita for that inspiring thought. It reminds us keep trying and never give up, no matter what the challenge is. Learning a new word improves our vocabulary skills. But not only learning, using them every day is so important. Now let us call upon Sabita to say a new word.
Happy morning everyone. Today's word is brought to you by Sabita of Junior 10 Jasper. Today's word, talent. It spells as Talent. It means natural skill. Friends, please spell after me. Talent. Talent. Thank you.
Thank you Sabita for the word. I hope everyone uses it every day to improve your vocabulary skills. Next, let's get updated with the world around us. I call G Vinay and K Vinay. Please come forward and share today's news headline.
Happy morning to everyone. I am Jeevan of Gooden and Jasper, brought to you by international and national news. National news. India has successfully fired a naval anti-ship enhancing its maritime defense capabilities. International news. A US private company has launched its second moon landing on 6th March. Thank you.
Happy morning everyone. I am Kevin from Junior 10 Jasper. Here brought to you by State and Sport News. State News. Hyderabad Metro Rail Phase 2 proportionals under circulation. States Kishan Reddy. Sports News. ISL East Bengal keep its
Thank you G Vinay and K Vinay. It's always important to stay informed about the world and our nation. Now friends, let me share a short story with you. I think you will all love it. Short story. The power of the kindness. Once there lived a boy called Aman. One day he saw an old man struggling to carry a heavy bags. Aman immediately rushed to him to help. The old man smiled at him and thanked him. Weeks later, Aman participated in a drawing competition, but he forgot his colors to bring. To his surprise, the judge of the competition was a old man who had helped him before. Aman won the competition, but not only winning the competition, he also learned a valuable lesson that kindness always comes back. Friends, is it amazing how small acts of kindness and make such a big difference? Let's promise to spread kindness wherever we go. Let's test your general knowledge with a few questions. I hope you will all answer them. Invite Yashwant to say some GK questions.
Happy morning everyone. I am Yashwant of Green and Jasper and I am here to ask some general knowledge questions. Question for grade 6. Who is the current president of South Africa? I repeat once again. Who is the current president of South Africa? Sorry, you did not pick any answer and the answer is Cyril Ramaphosa. Question for grade 7. Who is the current king of Japan? I repeat once again. Who is the current king of Japan? Sorry, you did not pick any answer and the answer is King Naruhito. Question for grade 8. When was Aryabhatta born? I repeat once again. When was Aryabhatta born? Sorry, it not pick any answer, and the answer is 476 AD. Question for Junior 10. In Ramayanam, who is the father of Nemi? I repeat once again. In Ramayanam, who is the father of Nemi or Dasharatha? Sorry, it not pick any answer, and the answer is King Aja. Open questions for all. In Quran, how many surahs are there? I repeat once again. In Quran, how many surahs are there? Sorry, you did not pick correct answer, and the answer is 114 surahs are there. Question number 2. How many people wrote the Bible? Yes, you picked the correct answer, and the answer is 40. Let's appreciate them. Thank you.
Ishwan for those questions. Speech is a power. Speech is to persuade, to compel, and to convert. I request Swapna to give a short speech.
Thank you, Swatika, for inviting me. Hey, very happy morning to everyone. This is Swapna from Junior 10 Jasper, here to give you a relationship between the hard work and talent. Hard work and talent are the two major keys for success. Hard work is a great effort and dedication towards a goal. When you do a hard work never fails to give you a sweet results or fruits. And coming to talent, talent is a natural skill or aptitude which is hidden in every individual. And there is also a relationship between these two terms, hard work and talent. Let me tell that. Hard work beats the talent when talent does not work hard. It means when talent does not work hard, means when talent, if a person is having a talent, if he will not work on that, then definitely the hard work will be beating the talent. Let me explain it with an example. There are two sprinters who are going to face a running competition in the next week. And first person, he is having a talent, but he didn't practice anything for the competition, and he didn't work on it. Second person, he is having a thought of winning the prize, and he practiced day and night. He did a great hard work to win the prize, and the day came for competition. Finally, second person won the prize. The reason he won is first person, he was just having a talent, but he didn't work on it. Second person, he won the prize with the hard work. So this is how the hard work beats the talent when talent does not work hard. Thank you.
Now for your wonderful speech. It keeps inspiring us. It's time for interesting part of our assembly. I request Vishnu Sairam to share some interesting facts.
Happy morning everyone, myself Vishnu Sairam. I am here to give some interesting facts. Fact number 1. Clouds weigh around million tons. Fact number 2. Our brain constantly eats itself. Fact number 3. The average color of universe is cosmic latte. Fact number 4. Once a hen lived 18 months without its head. Fact number 5. Ants do not have lungs. Fact number 6. Bats are not blind. Fact number 7. All mammals get goosebumps. Fact number 8. Our nails grow faster in summers. Thank you. Have a good day.
From Junior 10 Jasper. State news. Hyderabad Metro Rail Phase 2 proportional under circulation. States Kishan Reddy. Sports news. IASL East Bengal keeps its playoff choice alive with win over Hyderabad. Thank you.
Thank you, Sir Vishnu Sairam, for those interesting facts. Before we conclude, I would like to share a thought with you. Remember, every step you take today is a step towards your brighter future. Let's make every moment count and shape your destiny. As we come to an end of our assembly, I would like to thank everyone to being a part of this assembly. And I hope everyone give their best in their science projects. All the best, everyone. We'll be there for guiding you and cheering you. Thank you and have a wonderful day.